Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Although this looks kind of cool from the monitor right now, and it's been a few days in my studio, I still want to mess with it. I kind of wanted to do that just to see what I would think. And see how that metallic black will cover. I'm just going to mess around. I have no idea what I'm doing or what will come of it. That is Deco-art Americana 24 karat gold. This is dazzling white. That was the Anita's black metallic. But I think I need the medium black. I've got some water lily. It looked like it had something in it. That's weird. Because I'm using white, I might indulge in some Rhapsody Rose, which I really like. I often like the residuals from the paintings I'm destroying underneath to come through, and that might be the case with this as well. I don't know where this is going to go until I go there. I'm sure that there are other colors coming into play. Even if I just destroy it to start over again at a future point, that could happen as well. I really want the black. But I think if I cover the canvas with this paint first, that I might be able to get away with something completely different than ever. I've got all kinds of nice dark color underneath already to scrape through to. Where's my purple? I've got deep amethyst. Flip my brush over. Oh, I've got my dog is visiting me in the studio. I think this is perfect indigo. Yes, it is. Looks like it's a little tiny bit plugged. I'll need to deal with that. I am going to grab the medium black. I might grab the gold too. I'm going to grab my small brush. still haven't put any of that Rhapsody Rose in, and I thought I was going to do that, and I'm still thinking about it. But I've got Jasmine. And the color that I mixed up, that I'm calling Saffron. And I still want the Rhapsody Rose. Oh yeah, definitely. And the other color that I've got standing by is Mystique. Usually I like to let things dry. I'm probably going to use a toothy tool, a mark making device. I'm definitely contemplating some more gold and some more white. I keep hearing the call to Midnight Shadow. I kind of like this. Oh, I just broke another top off. I like the black lines. I don't usually leave them, but I think I'm going to leave them this time. To put some more white down is very tempting. I think this is really different. And different is good. Not always, but this time I hope. Alright, I want a little bit of white to help me with the Rhapsody Rose. Still makes me think of gold. I haven't done anything with that turquoise yet, and I'm pretty much still thinking about it. There's the Midnight Shadow. I think this white needs to be somewhere else. I like using puddles of paint as a palette. Definitely thinking about the gold. Thinking about scraping through too, since I see there's some cool stuff under there. Why not? Not sure about that. Let's use the gold before I get chicken. do believe it's risky business doing wet into wet. But I have to try stuff that I don't usually find comfortable to discover new ways of doing things. That line is going to drive me nuts. I think I'm going to grab a tool, one of my little spatula heads. Alright, I'm still ready for some Mystique. Yeah, I like that. Thinking about a little more saffron, and then I'm going to call it good, or call it a stage. Not sure about those at all. Kind of need to turn off this light, it's reflecting terribly. That did not stay very orange. Thinking about putting some of that in my palette and using it right after I get rid of whatever's on my blade. No! I liked it better before that. So this is bizarre, and this was fun. This was definitely therapeutic for me. I'm going to grab this small brush. And leave a few marks here and there. I think I'm almost done. Got a puddle of paint, it's too enticing. So whatever was behind still belongs to part of the design now, and that's okay with me. See if I can grab my phone and shimmer this at you. I see something that I need to fix. I need to wipe off my brush. There I'm. This is cool. I guess I do really love geometrics. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.